The 2016 Chevrolet Equinox Infotainment system is notorious for several recurring problems that frustrate owners daily. These issues manifest as black screens, complete audio failure, unresponsive touchscreens, and random system freezing that can disable critical features like backup cameras. Understanding the root causes helps determine the right troubleshooting approach. These problems typically stem from three main sources: software corruption from incomplete updates, hardware component failures in the display unit, and electrical problems like voltage fluctuations are the primary culprits behind these infotainment failures. Fortunately, you can resolve many of these issues yourself using three proven troubleshooting methods. Starting with the simplest approach, the simple hard reset clears temporary memory issues. Turn off your vehicle completely, remove the key, wait exactly 2 minutes, then restart. This allows the system to fully power down and reinitialize. If the simple reset doesn't work, try the infotainment system reset, which targets the display unit directly. This method forces the infotainment system to reboot while the vehicle runs. Press and hold the power button on the display unit for 10 to 15 seconds until you see the system restart automatically. For the most thorough reset, disconnect the battery to clear all stored memory and force a complete system reinitialization. The battery disconnect method provides the deepest reset. Disconnect only the negative terminal, wait 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect. This clears all electronic memory and forces complete system reinitialization. These three methods resolve most temporary infotainment glitches without requiring expensive professional repairs, saving you time and money while restoring your system's functionality. When basic resets don't solve your 2016 Equinox infotainment problems, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. We'll cover fuse checking, software updates, and prevention strategies. First, check the critical fuses. Locate fuses F42 for the infotainment system and F31 for the radio in your instrument panel fuse box. These are common failure points that can cause complete system shutdown. If fuses are fine, consider professional software updates. GM dealerships have access to the latest firmware that addresses known bugs and compatibility issues. These updates require special diagnostic equipment not available to consumers. Temperature extremes significantly contribute to infotainment failures. Data shows higher failure rates in extreme climate regions like Arizona and Minnesota. Simple prevention like parking in shade and using sunshades can extend system life. If problems persist, professional diagnosis may reveal hardware failures. The radio display interface module is a common failure point. When safety features like the backup camera are affected, immediate professional attention is recommended. Prevention is key to avoiding costly repairs. Regular software updates, gentle operation, and annual connection cleaning during routine maintenance can significantly extend your infotainment system's lifespan. Address early warning signs like slow startup or intermittent glitches before they become major failures. Remember, start with fuse checks, consider professional software updates for persistent issues, protect your system from temperature extremes, and maintain it regularly. These advanced strategies can save you hundreds in repair costs.